starting our journey to Indiana. It's a little chilly one, but it's not as bad as it's been lately. Welcome to the channel, and thanks for being here. Love all these cameras. Makes just everything so easy. Yeah, you did awesome.
I already took the fenders off.
I know, I didn't even see them till
I placed them over there, like in the area. It's right around like the roundabout. Like I'm gonna have to stand outside if somebody drives by, because they're gonna be like, "What are these?
They're like, what are these?
What happened?
These free? These for me?
No, they're mine.
They're
Leave
mine.
them alone. What's the temperature out here?
Cold.
It's below freezing.
Let's go around. Right, all is good. Everything is nice. Tighten down. Safety check is going down. Looks good, nice and tight. Final walk around. Tires look good too. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's hit the road. We are good. Everything is ready to go. I always love when someone comes and talks to me. He was a nice guy though, but he was cold. I gotta go. Took us a little bit longer than expected. I had a strap on backwards, but we're all human. Hope wherever they're going, it's okay. Gonna take a few sips of this coffee. Gonna hit the road. Thanks for your help today. This morning.
Cool.
Yeah,
I gotta get a blanket.
Get you a blanket. The captain has not turned on the seatbelt sign yet.
I've been reading this book for a long time. I don't like the way that it's formatted.
See.
It's like newspaper clippings and voice audios and podcasts and like random text messages. So it's like really hard to just be like, read the straight book, get the answers.
All right, we'll get there right before sunset if we don't stop. We should just be able to pull in. So, all right, journey begins to Indiana. Grab a snack. Here we go.
We have arrived.
Welcome back home. This is where you were born.
That's pretty funny.
Welcome to Jayco and Integra Coach. We're back to the mothership where the motorhome was born. We're gonna offload the Cybertruck, and then we're gonna put the coach in a spot they've got full 50 amp hookup. Pack up tonight, and we're gonna head to the Airbnb. So we're gonna make sure the coach is plugged in, stays nice and warm, and then we gotta find the drop box, drop the keys off, and then we're gonna be out of here. Are you ready?
ET phone home?
You're too much. Oh, remember I said I could unhook it. You don't have to be out here if you don't want to. All right, here we are. We're gonna knock this out. Set you guys over here in the snow. Pretty cool little spot here. I've never been to Integra, but I've heard great things. They've got pull-through spots right there, but I'll probably bust a circle on that side, and I'll just pull through this one right here, because that one looks good to go. Can't believe we're here and we're dealing with some snow, but we got to get things done, and that's what we're gonna do. So the idea is I want to get a marker or something, and I want to mark where these tires go, because I want to get E-track possibly while I'm in Indiana. So I got to figure out where the middle of the tire is here, and I got to go get something to mark that. Girl, you are a lot. Just go inside. I got it, sweetie. I got it. Oh my goodness. And, you know, and I bought her a pair of gloves, and she doesn't even use them. She's like, I would love some gloves. For someone who freezes all the time, she sure is just staying out here.
It's warm.
Okay, well, I guess you're good then. The idea is just to mark where the tire goes. While I'm in Indiana, I want to get E-track and make loading the Cybertruck even more simple. Let's get the Cybertruck unloaded.
I just got it all the way down. I got it all the way down.
Doesn't our baby look sad over there?
She's okay. I was gonna say I'm warm and
I don't know, everything just feels right here, don't it? It's just like everything feels in place. It's going smooth. The snow stopped.
it was blurry.
Well, we're from Texas, so everything looks like snow. I mean, look at her. She is just so beautiful. We're going to our Airbnb soon. We have to basically pack up the RV, take all of our personal belongings with us. So we're basically moving out. At least the coach will be back to 100%, and we're super excited for that. Hopefully everything goes to plan. It's just a smooth transaction. Get us in, get us out. And trailer pin. Luckily there's nobody here, and we can just park the Cybertruck next to us for now until we load everything up. So let's move the Cybertruck and let's get to packing. Yeah, I'm bringing my coffee maker. I can't just leave it in here.
Coffee?
I almost wonder if the coffee maker will fit in the front of the Cybertruck. And if not, well, we'll find somewhere for it to go, but I'm bringing my coffee maker. All right, moment of truth. I think it might work. I just need to move the trailer chocks. Come on, baby, please fit. Yeah, but will it shut? That's the real test. I mean, it looks like it's gonna work. Oh, gotta grab the beans too. Oh no, come on, don't hit. Oh, are you kidding me? See, the front is an illusion. I think anything that's past this seal will not fit. Because let's move this over to the side. Let's move these over to the side too. And then this quad to the side. Let's see. All right, last test, and if not, I gotta put it in the back. Oh, what are you hitting? Come on. Womp womp. All right, I'll put it in the back. We're basically moving out. Well, we are moving out.
And we have to do this again in a few months.
We sure do. I haven't even told them yet, but yes,
Okay,
we do. No, we're gonna leave it in. We need them to know. There's something fun coming. Okay, we got the heat on. The coach. Hey, RV tour guys. The coach is clean, spotless. Everything's put away. I'm gonna clean off this counter a little bit. But yeah, we are moving out. We need to clean out the entire fridge, and then we're gonna head on out here to the Airbnb. All right, so we got pretty much everything out of the coach, and it says once you arrive at Integra Coach Service Center, see map below for locations. So they gave you instructions on everything to drop off the coach, and they gave you like a cool little map to show you where to park. It's pretty nice, right?
I think I like it.
It says find a place to park at Integra Service Center parking lot and plug in. Boom, we have done that. Oh, it says there is a fenced in dog walk area and a large dumpster available at your convenience. That's so nice. It says you will find your name tag in the mailbox. Okay, so we gotta go get a name tag, and then we have to put the name tag on the windshield with the provided suction cup. So Molly's getting out the cold stuff out of our refrigerator right now that we're gonna take to the Airbnb. And I'm gonna go do this stuff right here. It says hang your name tag on the inside of the windshield using the provided suction cup. If you're dropping your coach off, please lock your coach and place the keys in the key drop box. We are dropping it off, so we will do that. Let's go do that. You and I, we're gonna go do this. Molly, you're good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get it, and then we'll reconvene.
Open up the freezer.
Oh Lord. Okay, you do that. I'll be right back. All right. Well, we're not off to a good start. I don't have a name tag hanging. Is it because we're supposed to check in tomorrow?
Probably.
But I did find a key tag holder, so maybe I'll just put my keys on it and put Garcia with our license plate.
Yep. Or you can
Yeah, we checked in early, so maybe that's the reason we don't have a name tag. And I also saw a place for trailers. Okay, I'm just gonna put my key on this. Oh look, my name's already on it from when I bought it from the dealer.
Okay.
Jay Garcia.
Well, then there you go.
Key tag I got from Integra. I'll just put my phone number on it. Got everything donesy onesie. Got the brand new couch that we got a few months ago, so we got it covered up. Hopefully it looks just as good as we left it. And I think we are good to go. Molly, anything else? We won't know until we get to the Airbnb. That's how it always works.
There's always a grocery store nearby.
Oh yeah, bingo. Okay.
But I've emptied out everything.
All right, what's left in the fridge?
Okay. I have
Whoa!
frozen bananas. Hopefully they stay frozen.
Dang, all them kinetics. Those won't be bad though.
No, those are fine. And then chocolate chips. They can be cold or hot.
Okay.
And it's not going to be melting anywhere. All of this, I just need to. This says that I can leave it in the fridge. It says it can be refrigerated or not.
I'm sure it'll be
I just
fine.
need to clean that out. These are all good to go.
Okay. A part of me is hoping we have the right appointment date, and I'm like looking at my emails. Not seeing my name tag in there was making me think that I did something wrong, but I'm sure we're fine. So we're gonna start putting some of these slides in, and then we're gonna be on our way to the Airbnb. I'm gonna leave this open so all the heat can keep the RV nice and toasty. All right, let's start putting these slides up. Let's do the bed slide first. We're gonna miss the motorhome. That's all right. She's been sick and she's got to get fixed. All right, put this slide in here. Now I got to put in the kitchen slide. Got the coach running because you got to put the slides in when you're on air.
Yeah, because we had somebody tell us that we're doing it wrong. We said no, we're actually not.
These slide outs are like super.
They're super slides.
Well, they sound goofy, but it's just from being cold. Then we'll shut her down, and that'll do it. All right, all slides are in. Turn the coach off. We'll leave these open so they know that no one is staying in it. Welcome home, fam. Oh, Lily found the light switch?
There's a portion on the way.
Oh.
Shing! All right, we're gonna figure out, let's garage and I'm gonna back in, then we can bring the stuff in. Cool, cool? All right. Oh, there we go. Oh, look. She had the garage door opener for us. All right, Molly's gonna get settled in, and I'll back the truck in.
Okay, perfect. Here.
Thank you, thank you. All right, home sweet home. You got it figured out? We're gonna be here for quite some time, so Molly's taking photos of everything. So just making sure we put things back how we found them is the right thing to do. So closing the blinds in the 500 windows that are in the front. We won't worry about the back because that's just the lake. So, all right, I'm gonna go back up the Cybertruck, and welcome to your new home. Imagine we bought it and then we like didn't tell them, and then we already. Never know. You never know with your dad, huh? Hey, you never even saw what I had next to the RV the other day, did you?
No.
You know what I did?
I didn't see it, but I heard you say something about it.
Yeah, I bought a camper. I actually was talking about it that it was gonna be your camper. It's a whole thing. It's.
I heard you talking about it that morning, and I was like, what?
Yeah.
And then I didn't.
I'll show you a picture. Yeah, you haven't seen it because I forgot Yeah, you were at home and you did the dishes and stuff, and yeah. Yeah, well, I'll have to show you. All right, cool. Let's get some lights on and then put all these blinds. Yeah, if you guys missed the, I think 2 videos ago. No, the video before this one. Yeah, bought a little travel trailer. Actually, did a trade. So, where are you going?
I'm ready with you.
Are you gonna go with me? Okay, cool.
Where are we
Gotta
going?
get a helper. Oh man,
gonna
the
take
snow's
everything out.
falling. That's wild. Bada bing, bada boom. Got the fireplace going. You're gonna go help me?
Yeah.
Man, it's crazy seeing snow, right?
Yeah.
We're not used to seeing any kind of snow. I mean, it's just little flurries, but it's something. So Jackson and I are gonna go get the Cybertruck and put it in the garage. You ready to see how much stuff we brought? My goodness. All right, let's start loading it in. Woo, heavy. Bringing your own coffee machine is not crazy, by the way. Ah, you can smell that? I usually drink my espressos out of a mason jar, but this glass cup will have to do, and gonna be made for Molly out of a beer mug, but making best do, right? With what we got. We've got coffee mugs. I mean, I guess we could do a iced latte in that, but I like it tall. Add my milk. Look who came to visit. She's arrived with us after Thanksgiving, and she followed us here to the new house. Get Molly's going real quick. Got settled in last night, so we're just all waking up. We got the natural light coming in the windows. And yes, I did bring my coffee maker. You gotta have it. You do. This is what it looks like before I actually put the ice in and the milk shots. You got the crema on top. I always like to froth the coffee, mix everything. All the honey, the brown sugar, the cinnamon. And this is basically an iced dolce latte. So I just pour a little bit of creamer in there. Molly likes a little bit extra. Then we top it off with the milk, and that's pretty much it. We're having our coffee chats. I had to bring the coffee maker. I had to.
Our coffee chats can consist of.
Sorry, I have something on your.
You do too.
There's something on your nose. Like our wedding day. So quiet.
Well, we have our snoozes on.
The kids are sleeping. Still sleeping.
Willow woke up earlier and she's like, I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'm like, you can do that.
So we got somewhat settled in. We got some organizing, some unpacking to do this morning. But we're just working on some content. I'm always reading some books, checking emails, just doing real life stuff. So it's kind of wild to transition from a motorhome to an actual home, and we're gonna be here for more than a week. We're basically, well, you saw last night, we moved in. So we got a lot going on. We do. But it was a good travel day, right? I mean, it was just a straight shot all the way to Indiana. The check-in process was super simple. All the instructions on the email were just like laid out for us. It was good.
It did start snowing when we got there.
It did. What is this white stuff outside?
Ah! Willow got to play in a little bit of the snow yesterday. Last night when we got in, she's like, it's snowing.
Go play in it. Go do your thing, girl.
Not enough to make a snowman, but enough to play.
Isn't more snow coming though?
Snow was not even on the radar this week.
Oh, snow's not even on the radar.
It's just below freezing all week long, but snow was not on the radar.
I want to break out the Cybertruck and play in it if we do get some. So
You wanted to go see some snow?
yeah, I got another fun video idea. So I think this is where we're gonna leave the video. We've got quite a bit to do. We're gonna just unwind a little bit, work on a bunch of just things that are on our list. House life.
Oh.
You digging it?
There's a lot of walking in a house.
There's a lot. We were joking. Well, you know what? Well,
I get my step count in the house.
yeah, you do. It's far. I'm like at night, like last night I was trying to look down the hallway. I'm like, I can't see.
And then all this morning, I just see Jaron just pacing this window.
I'm a pacer. I don't know. I'm like
he's looking out the window, but he has to go and look out each of the windows.
I love the windows. Should we do a house tour? Comment down below. I wasn't going to. If you guys are interested in seeing this place, it's pretty nice. It's the views are top notch. I bet this place is beautiful in the summer. It's pretty now, even in the winter. So I can't imagine being a summer house. So.
And it's on Airbnb.
It is on Airbnb, so it's got my mind spinning a little bit.
New business opportunity?
New business investment, I don't know. But comment down below if you guys want to see the house or maybe do a full house tour. Like I said, we weren't going to do one, but if you're interested, comment down below. So I think this is where we're going to leave the video. We're going to get some things done today, and we'll see you on the next adventure. I'm just making acknowledgement on this video.
We've been together for 16, and those other 4 years, you couldn't wear hats because you were in school.
My hair has just never been manageable. It's been so heavy, and I've never found someone who can actually cut it. That's the problem.
Look at your hair.
The last stylist that I had before this new one, I don't know. Sometimes she used to be chopping me up.
What do you?
I just said my last stylist.
The book is done.